Wow, look at guys! What is this? This is Spiderman action figure. Wow, cool! Wow, look at guys! Red color. What is this? This is Deadpool action figure. Wow, nice! Wow, look at guys! Black color. What is this? This is Black Spiderman action figure.
Shall we dance?
Wow, very nice. Wow, look at guys, green color. What is this? This is Hulk action figure. Wow, very strong superhero. Wow, look at guys, red color again. What is this? This is Hulkbuster action figure. Wow, nice. Wow, look at guys, purple color. What is this? This is Joker action figure. Wow, cool. Wow, look at guys, very big. What is this? This is Red Hulk action figure. Wow, cool. Wow, look at guys, so many superhero action figure in here. Let's see one by one. Wow, look at guys, this is Venom action figure. Wow, nice. Wow, look at guys, this is Captain America action figure. Wow, very cool. Wow, look at guys, this is Hulk action figure. Wow, very strong superhero. Wow, look at guys, this is Spidey action figure. Wow, Spiderman action figure. Okay. Wow, look at guys, this is Thor action figure. Wow, very cool with the hammer. Nice. Wow, look at guys, this is Doctor Strange action figure. Wow, the magician. Okay. Wow, look at guys, this is Winter Soldier action figure. Wow, nice. Wow, look at guys, this is Ironman action figure. Wow, very genius superhero. Nice. Wow, look at guys. This is Batman action figure. Wow, cool. Wow, look at guys. This is Ant-Man action figure. Holy shit! Wow, very cool. Wow, look at guys. This is Cyborg action figure. Wow, cool. Wow, look at guys. This is Black Panther action figure. Wow, Wakanda forever. Nice. Wow, look at guys. This is THANOS action figure. Wow, purple color, nice. Wow, look at guys. This is Vision action figure. Wow, with the laser, cool. This is the last. Wow, look at guys. This is Hawkeye action figure.
Stark, get a lot of spray sniffing your tail. Find a tight corner.
Wow, with the arrow, nice. Okay guys, see you next video. Bye bye.